Hello again. The heat wave goes on throughout this week, with temperatures across parts of England and Wales potentially reaching 30 degrees or more by the time we get to Thursday, 6 days in a row. A long time since that's happened in this country. But of course, with the heat in this country, we often get the risk of thunderstorms. Isolated thunderstorms at first, perhaps more organised storms across northern parts of the UK midweek. And that will eventually lead to cooler temperatures by the weekend. But we've got some days of this hot weather to come before that happens. The heat concentrated to the south of the UK as we begin the week. And in fact, if I run this sequence forward through Tuesday and into Wednesday, you can see even warmer colours spread across the UK from midweek. But that clears to the continent, and by Friday, much cooler air sinks down from the northwest. However, we have got the hot weather with us for some time. At the start of the week into Tuesday, the heat confined to southern parts of the UK though. And further north, this cold front marking a boundary between that hot air in the south, much cooler temperatures across Scotland, northern England and Northern Ireland. In fact, so cool that we could start off with a touch of frost for some Highland glens Tuesday morning. But further south, plenty of sunshine and another very muggy night means that it's going to be a warm start. And as that heat builds across southern parts of England and Wales, we could see one or two slow-moving torrential thunderstorms. A risk, not a guarantee, and for the majority, Tuesday's looking like a fine and bright day. Thicker cloud for the east of England and more of a onshore breeze means that it's going to be a little cooler. The heat on Tuesday concentrated across southwestern parts of Britain. That's where we could exceed 30 Celsius again. Now, through Tuesday night, the cold front returns as a warm front, and this is that plume of much warmer air that arrives from the southwest midweek. So Wednesday will start off with cooler temperatures across northern Britain, but we're going to push in that warmth and the humidity across the country, and with it brings the risk of some heavy and potentially thundery rain across Scotland, northern England and Northern Ireland. Further south, largely sunny skies yet again. But once more, we could see temperatures reaching the high 20s, low 30s across a large part of central and southern parts of England. And with that heat, again, comes the risk of one or two thunderstorms further south popping off. Now, Thursday, the hot and sunny weather becomes confined to eastern parts of England. Once again, 30 degrees or more is on the cards for the southeast, but further west, cooler air is starting to make inroads, so you'll notice a considerable drop in temperatures across western parts of Britain and a bit more cloud, perhaps a few showers, but nothing like the rain that we'll see in the north on Wednesday. Now, the cooler temperatures are being brought about by this cold front, which finally spreads across the country on Friday. Low pressure then situated to the north will start to determine our weather, and that means much cooler airflow from the west and the northwest. Frequent showers across northern and western Britain on Friday. Some sunny spells still in the east, but look at the contrast in temperatures. Some places 10 degrees cooler by the end of the week, and that leads us on to a much fresher weekend.